Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Debian Linux 13.2. But the process is same on all Debian Linux operating systems. Okay, first to open the default browser that comes with Debian Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor Browser official website. It is torproject.org. Then click on download Tor Browser or download Tor Browser, either is same. Then click on this download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 131 megabytes. Wait until download completes and it is zip file. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. ls. See, here we have the Tor browser zip file. We have to unzip it, tor-accept, then tor. Press the tab to autofill entire zip file name. Hit enter. ls. Now go to this Tor browser folder. ls. See, here we have the start Tor browser dot desktop file. We have to execute it. // then start, then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Wait a moment, it will be opened. See, we got the Tor browser. Now verify the version. Go to help, then about Tor browser. See, we have installed 15.0. okay, close this one. Now connect to Tor. If you want to connect automatically, always you have to turn on this one, otherwise turn off. It is up to you. Then click on connect. See, it is establishing connection to Tor. Okay, this will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Tor browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Debian Linux 13.2. okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.